What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see what we got going on today. Me and my friend Rick back at it on Big Meats, trying to stay on schedule. So you know, gonna get the frame mount put in. Cause once the frame mount get put in, it's a wrap. Like engine can go in then. Cause putting the mounts on the engine easy. You get set in, and you know, it's gonna be a little simple process. So we're gonna get this thing covered, and then we're gonna get to it. Alright, y'all see Rick made it over here. Don't panic. Y'all go subscribe to the YouTube channel. All of that. Hey, Rick, what we gonna do on the wheels, man?
Oh man, shit. You know, we're gonna wheel and deal like we on 6, man.
Hey, it going down, y'all.
Yeah, we're gonna wheel and deal.
Y'all
on the operating table right now.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Hey, it going down, y'all. Y'all gonna see that show now. There ain't gonna be something to see on the wheels now, I promise. I promise y'all that. Yeah. So we finna get we're gonna get Meats pushed back a little bit so we can jack it up. So I'm finna set y'all down. I'm gonna set y'all down over here. We're gonna push this back.
We got man, they car still clean.
Hey, that's what I tell them. I said, man, the paint job on this car is a good paint job. I mean, it got the little imperfection, but I tell them, I said, if I still had it, it wouldn't even had them little chips and stuff.
Yeah. I don't yeah, man. The inside, like, you know, nobody never, you know, usually when you sell a car, they get in the inside and destroy it.
Hey, I couldn't believe it. I said, man, the only thing this car needs is carpet.
Yep.
That's all it needs, carpet. And I was like, man, let me ask you this before we pushing it back. Honest opinion.
Yeah.
Could you see the car any other color? Nah. See, I ain't think so either. I told
this is the sole color. I mean, you might be able to change the shade just a little bit.
Yeah, the shade, but it gotta be green though.
Yeah.
I told
it gotta be green. It got to be green with a brown top.
Brown top, yeah. I said, man, I couldn't see it, man. I can't see it being no other color.
Yeah, it gotta be green with a brown top. Ready?
Yeah. That's right. I'm gonna make it one color.
Hey, how you doing?
Tell me when we got enough.
Yeah. Don't get pinned in between them.
Oh, yeah. How far back we need to go?
We good, right?
Good.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you had to leave it there, color.
I told him, man. I said it gotta stay green. We gotta stay green. So we got this thing put back. We're gonna I'm bringing the jack, and then we're gonna make it happen. All right, we got this thing on the jack stands, all that. So we about to go up through the frame. Y'all see that candy paint job on it? Ooh-wee. But now we about to go up through the frame. Oh, I need to go get the other mounts. I'm gonna go get the other mount first, y'all. But we're gonna go up through the frame and get these things knocked out. Cause that's the easy way to go up through the A-arm. Especially over there. That's what I was telling y'all about. Fuel line coming through there. So I'm gonna go get a chill too, so I can hold this and all that. And I'm gonna go get the new mount. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. Right down here. Go up the driveway. All right. Shine that light through that access hole so you can see what's going on. Oh, you already working on one?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the impact.
Okay. If you put it on this, and I got this one on the bottom.
All right.
That one right.
So we already on one. I think I seen the one you was on. So we finna get one of them. Right here.
Yeah, that one right there. Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, I gotta keep it.
Yeah, that thing be falling down in there. We got one over here. I already gotta take one of these to the parts though. I mean, we'll be able to put that one back in, but this driver's side gonna be missing a bolt, y'all. Two. A bolt and a nut on the driver's side from what I using in wife's car. You got the bolt down there? Oh, okay. Alright, let's see. Well, I say it make it a whole lot easier when you go through the access hole. Let's see if I grab y'all so y'all can see what's going on. Yes. So y'all can see what he's doing. So he coming through there with the wrench. And there be one on be kind of tough, I think, but I got an extension. We got swivel and stuff too. But one of these side right here, it down here, this side over there easy. And it just caused the fuel line and the return line coming through there. Normally where you stick the wrench. Well, he got it in between there though. You need the light shine? Hold on,
Ready? I think I'm on it.
The outside?
Let me see. Yeah, that one right here. Alright, let me see.
Let me see, y'all.
I feel like it.
Right there.
I think I lost it. Yes.
That outside one. I think he got the hardest one though at the bottom. I think the bottom one.
Yeah, that one right here.
Right here. Alright. Is it?
Yeah.
Sound like it just spinning. It came out. It came out a little bit.
What am I on?
Huh? Let me see.
I'm on the back.
Oh.
Yeah, I look
We was
that
on
like
the
the front one.
Yeah, we was on the wrong one, y'all. That's what it is. All right.
Go ahead.
All right, here we go. Let me grab that. All right, we got that one. Thing get hot, y'all. The impact is spinning.
Oh, I dropped it.
Gotta find that one. I got a magnet. Oh yeah, y'all. I bought everything. I got a magnet now. Something else have been there. You want me to grab that magnet?
Yeah, I don't know where that was.
Grab that magnet. Probably find one of the nuts in there too, y'all. Cause I'm telling you, I lost one of them. All right, y'all. Look, we trying to. I think they're a little. The frame, the factory mount's a little wider.
Oh shoot.
We put it in the wrong way.
Yep.
Oh man.
Yep.
Learn something then.
So
the bottom wider than the top.
Yep.
Bottom wider than the top, y'all.
So
That was the hard one too.
Yep.
We moving too fast, y'all. So tell you what just happened. That bolt in the corner right here was the hardest one to get on, which would normally be the easiest, but you got the lines coming in the access hole. Normally you can put an open end wrench right there on there and grab it. So Rick got it on there, and when we took it off, he was like, man, I ain't even gonna take it down. Let's just slide it on there. I like smart move. Moving too fast. Put it on upside down, basically. Smart thinking, my Rick. We just moving too fast though. So now we got to go do it again anyway. But that's the advantage of having two people too. Like when you by yourself, you just got to pull the boat out. But he was already on it, and he was able to sit it back up there. You won't be able to do that with just one person. So we about to take this thing out. Make sure you don't move too fast. Put your mounts in upside down. You're gonna know it. And I should have saw it when it didn't line up. But we roll with it. So we're gonna get that switched over and then get the other side on there. And we're gonna be ready to go in. Say it next dry day. So y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, we got that one in. Quick work.
Oh, you just got one left over here, right?
Yeah, I think it's just that one.
Okay.
Cause I know I gotta. Yep. Cause I gotta replace one of the bolts. And I think the nut might be in there. The nut might be down in there somewhere. I don't know, y'all. But either way, I just thought about it and get the bolts. So when we get ready to come and drop, we're gonna have to feed the bolts in there right quick. But I'm probably gonna leave meats right here to be the best thing. Leave it on the jack stand. So
Yes.
we finna go ahead and get that one bolted down. Y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all. So we wrapping up. Right in time too, cause I thought it went on storm cloud. It's thundering though, it's finna rain. But Rick made it happen. Quick work, we got him in there. I gotta he found the other bolt. It was sitting in the frame. So we got it just sitting in there. And I gotta go get the nuts, which I can just go to the parts store and match up the threads. And we can get the nuts. That ain't nothing. So I had the nuts next Sunday day. We'll be back out here.
Well, we got the hard one in. I get that hard. Yeah.
Yeah, we got the hard side done. Yeah, we got that done. So right here, the two top one, y'all. We got two axles. We're gonna leave it on jack stand. Come up from the bottom, come through the axle hole. So we finna get this stuff put up. Cover the car back up before the rain come down. I'm holler at y'all in the garage. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We checking back in, man. We got everything put up. Man, Rick just been out here chilling, talking, man, kicking it. Y'all see them? Look at that. Oh, y'all can't see. Cleared on up. Didn't even do nothing, man. Didn't even do nothing. We up here thinking. Oh, let me get y'all right. We're here thinking the bottom about to fall out, man. It didn't do a thing. But we got the frame mounts in. We would have had them bolted all the way in, man. Like I said, Rick he was ready to go. I said, shit, I hit, bro. I like, man, I thought we were gonna have some rain today. So I was like, man, it give me a couple days to get the bolts and all of that. But came on through, we got it done. All we gotta do is put the two top bolts in when he come back. And like I said, we might get some more rain and all that. But all we gotta do is put the two top bolts in, and we're gonna be ready to go. We got it on the jack stand still and all of that. I'm gonna leave right there. Then I'm gonna be bringing my engine hoist over here. Then we push that bad boy back right here. It's gonna be time to put the engine in. We're gonna drop that thing in. Should go fast, cause we ain't gotta contend with no transmission too. We ain't gotta contend with having it all in one piece, which I don't think I would really want to do that, not with my engine stand, cause that's a lot of weight. The big block already heavy. 400 transmission already heavy. So I think I feel a little better like doing it like this anyway. Then we'll just put the transmission in from the bottom separately and do it like that. So big block meat is on the way. We catch at least 2 more sunny days this week. Y'all gonna see that big block in there. Big block. We'll be sitting in there, get the headers bolted up, and you know, we just gonna do it all we can do, and then take it over to Lawless. Just fire that thing up, fine tune it, all that, and then we're gonna be ready to go. Like I said, it'll be set up. It'll be all motor for right now. I got a nitrous converter, but like I said, I ain't got my nitrous kit yet because I ain't decided on. Well, I decided. I said I'd probably go with fogger. I just get the intake took off of it, or I might buy a whole new intake and have it drilled and stuff. Buy a fresh intake, put it on there, have it drilled, and just swap it over, hook the fogger up, and boom, boom, bam. You know, do it like that. And yeah, I'm gonna run a dedicated fuel system on it too. I just like to do that, so I'll probably be doing that. Cause like I said, meets still true street car. Drive it wherever you want to go. That's a true street car with a lot of power. That's all. You know, we ain't worried about busting no block, none of that good stuff. Peace of mind. Steel mounts. We ain't got to worry about breaking no motor mounts and all that stuff. Steel transmission mount. Actually a billet. So we're gonna be ready to go, man. We're gonna be ready to go. I appreciate my fam Rick coming through, helping me all the time, man. Y'all got that collab, y'all seen, man. We back on it We back at it again in the driveway, making it happen. About to put meats together again. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my fam channel. Don't panic. Go check out that Bad Money Carlo. We got some more collabs coming with that. He about to apply some pressure on the wheels. So y'all stay tuned for that show. Y'all make sure y'all tuning in over there. Or check out his Instagram too. I'm gonna put all that on the screen. Y'all make sure y'all check all that out. And yeah, we're gonna tune back in. Cuz will probably pull up on me one day this week too. So y'all gonna see almost the whole crew over here going down. We got collabs coming, video, all that. So yeah, that's it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later. I'm out.